Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super useful: how to reset a WordPress website. Whether you're cleaning up a test site, you're starting afresh, or you're fixing a major mistake, I'll walk you through it step by step. It's easier than you think, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clean WordPress slate ready for your next project. Let's jump in. Alright, good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this class. Okay, so this class is all about resetting your WordPress website. So if you have your WordPress website and you'd like to change it, you'd like to install a different template, or you just want to redesign the whole thing, then this is the video for you. If you like what you watch, please don't forget to click on the link and subscribe, and also follow me for more videos concerning your WordPress website. So this is a website for a healthcare organization, and they want their website redesigned. Okay, so this is what the website currently looks like. All right, so there are certain things, definitely the arrangement needs to be worked on. Okay, you can see everything is a little bit straight, it's not really well organized. Okay, and in fact, if you look at it on mobile, it's even worse. Okay, because some of the pictures overlap each other and all that, so this is not really a very good view. So we can see the about us, then the blog. We take a look at the blog, let's see what's there. Okay, so there are only 2 posts. Okay, and I think this organization has been existing for quite a while, so there are only 2 posts concerning this website, so they definitely need to update more. Let's check out the about us page. Okay, the about us page is pretty simple, but I do believe it could be better. You can see the picture similarity in terms of the arrangement. It's a little bit different. Okay, so definitely we can definitely work on this and make it look better. All right, so this video mainly is about how to reset it. So you want to clear everything out and you just want to have something brand new, or you want to work on something brand new. So how do you go about it? So first of all, let's log in. Okay, let's log in. So every time you want to log in is wp-admin, so your website name, then wp-admin, and then you log in. Okay, so we have your username, so you put in your username, you put in your password. This particular website has authentication attached to it, so you answer like a certain question and then you can now log in. Okay, all right, so we are here at our back end, and then all we have to do now is go to plugins. Okay, so there's a plugin that we can use to reinstall our website. So we go to plugins. Okay, on the left hand side you go to installed plugins. All right, installed plugins, and then we'll scroll down. Okay, so you can see these are all the plugins here. All right, so there are quite a number of plugins for this website, but we want to clear everything out and be able to work on the website. Now, mind you, before you reset your website, so for a website like this, for example, that has been existing for quite a while, there's a lot of content already on it, so it's always best to take a screenshot of the website. Okay, you can go through everything, take a record of everything so that you know where everything is. There's some certain content that the client may want to keep, so make sure you do that. Like for this website, there are a lot of videos, there are a lot of pictures, so make sure you've saved all those pictures. Okay, so but we want to download the plugin, so we want to get a plugin, and there's a plugin called WP Reset. So under plugins, you can see add plugin. So go to add plugin, and then we go to WP Reset. So let's see WP Reset. Let's look for it. Okay, so there we have it, WP reset. I will say install now. Okay, so once that is installed, we now activate. Okay, WP reset, we now activate. Okay, so we've activated it. Okay, so we go back to our plugins. If you scroll down now, okay, you should be able to see WP reset amongst your plugins. So there it is, WP reset. So all you need to do now is now open WP reset tools. So let's open that. Okay, so here we are. All right, so you now have several options. Okay, but what we are looking for, you scroll down, you can see site reset. Okay, site reset. So we just go to reset, type in reset. Okay, now if the current theme that you're using, okay, you can see reactivate current theme. I really don't want to use this theme. I'm going to look for something else, so I'm not going to click on that. Reactivate WordPress reset plugin, yes. Reactivate all currently active plugins. I may not do all this. Okay, so I just want to reset the whole site. If you want a situation whereby you want to probably upload your website again, maybe you are just clearing it and just want to bring back the same thing, then you create a snapshot. But in this case, I don't intend to. I want to design something completely new, so I just click on reset site. So are you sure you want to reset this site? Say yes. Reset WordPress. Okay, all right, so there has been a critical error on this website. Please check your site admin. Okay, so let's still go back. Okay, so you can see now, you can see this is your website. This is what it used to be, but now that you've reset it, you can see it is now back to default setting. Okay, so this is how you reset your website. From here now, I can now work on it and now create a new design and make sure everything looks fine. All right, so if you liked this content, please do not forget to click on the like button and subscribe and follow this channel for more information concerning WordPress website design. All right, thank you so much.